Making money online has become more accessible than ever in India. With the rise of the digital economy, opportunities to work from home and grow your wealth are endless. Today, I'm sharing the most effective strategies you can use to start earning online and secure financial freedom, all without leaving the comfort of your home. First, let's talk about freelancing. India is a hub for skilled professionals, and platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to showcase your talents to a global audience. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, developer, or marketer, freelancing can be a powerful way to build a steady income. The key is to create a strong portfolio and continuously upgrade your skills to stay competitive. Another lucrative option is starting a YouTube channel or a podcast. Video content and audio platforms are booming, and if you can provide valuable, entertaining, or educational content, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Choose a niche you're passionate about, like cooking, tech reviews, or personal finance, and commit to creating consistent, high-quality content. Affiliate marketing is another proven way to earn online. By promoting products and services through platforms like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your unique affiliate links. Pair this with a blog, YouTube channel, or social media platform to drive traffic and maximize your earnings. E-commerce is thriving in India, and starting your own online store has never been easier. Platforms like Shopify and Flipkart allow you to sell physical or digital products. You can source items from local suppliers, create your own products, or even sell homemade crafts. Focus on marketing and customer service to build a loyal customer base. Online teaching and consulting have also gained immense popularity. If you're an expert in a particular field, whether it's mathematics, digital marketing, or yoga, you can offer classes or consulting sessions through platforms like Zoom or Udemy. With India's growing demand for online education, this can be both fulfilling and profitable. Content writing and blogging remain excellent options for those who enjoy writing. Build a blog around a niche topic, such as travel, health, or finance, and monetize it through ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. Alternatively, work as a content writer for companies and agencies that need fresh, engaging articles regularly. For tech-savvy individuals, app development and web design are high-income opportunities. Many businesses are looking for developers to create apps or optimize their websites. You can even develop your own app and monetize it through ads, in-app purchases, or a subscription model. If you're looking for passive income, consider investing in stocks, mutual funds, or cryptocurrency. With the right research and risk management, these investments can yield substantial returns over time. You can start with platforms like Zerodha or Grow, which make it easy for beginners to get started. Social media management and influencer marketing are booming in India. Businesses are constantly looking for individuals who can manage their social media presence or promote their products. If you have a strong following on platforms like Instagram or LinkedIn, you can monetize your influence by partnering with brands. Lastly, consider virtual assistants. As a virtual assistant, you'll handle tasks like email management, scheduling, or customer service for entrepreneurs and businesses. Websites like Zirtual and Belay can connect you with clients, allowing you to work remotely and earn a stable income. The secret to success in any of these strategies is consistency, learning, and adapting to changes in the digital landscape. By leveraging your skills and taking action, you can turn your internet connection into a powerful tool for building wealth. Start today, stay disciplined, and watch your online earnings grow. The digital world is full of possibilities, and with the right approach, you can achieve financial freedom from the comfort of your home. Getting rich in India or through the internet from anywhere in the world is not just a dream. It's a possibility if you understand the strategies and are willing to take action consistently. The internet has leveled the playing field, giving you access to opportunities that were once reserved for the few. Here's how you can tap into this limitless potential. Start by identifying a high-income skill. Whether it's coding, graphic design, copywriting, digital marketing, or public speaking, the key is to master a skill that is in demand globally. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare can help you learn and refine these skills. Once you're confident, market yourself on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to connect with clients worldwide. E-commerce is a booming industry in India and beyond. You can start by selling physical products on platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, or Etsy, or explore the dropshipping model, which requires minimal investment. Alternatively, create your own digital products, such as ebooks, templates, or online courses, and sell them directly to your audience. Leverage the creator economy. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast in a niche you're passionate about. Whether it's tech reviews, cooking tutorials, or financial advice, creating valuable content can attract a loyal audience. Monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, or by offering exclusive content through platforms like Patreon. Real estate investment, even in small amounts, can pave the way to wealth in India. Start with renting out a room or a property on platforms like Airbnb, or invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, to earn returns without owning physical property. The stock market is another powerful tool. Begin with mutual funds, ETFs, or individual stocks using platforms like Zerodha or Grow. Learn the principles of long-term investing from experts like Warren Buffett or Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and make consistent, disciplined contributions. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology are rapidly gaining traction. While it's a volatile space, educating yourself and starting small can yield significant returns. Platforms like Binance and WazirX make it easy to start investing. Consider building a personal brand. Your expertise in a specific area can make you a trusted authority. Share your knowledge through webinars, social media, or speaking engagements. Over time, this can open doors to consulting opportunities, sponsorships, and partnerships. Affiliate marketing is a simple but effective way to earn online. Partner with companies to promote their products, earning a commission for every sale you generate. Pair this with content creation to maximize your reach. Developing an app or starting a SaaS, software as a service business, can be game-changing. These ventures often require upfront work but provide ongoing passive income. Identify a gap in the market and create a solution that people need. Finally, focus on creating multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Diversify by combining freelancing, investing, content creation, and other ventures to ensure steady cash flow. The key to success in building wealth online or in India is mindset. Stay focused, avoid distractions, and don't let temporary failures derail you. Every successful person started somewhere. Stay disciplined, invest in your growth, and leverage the endless opportunities the digital world offers. With persistence and strategy, you can create a life of abundance, no matter where you are.